Alright, go get your bathing suit.
Baby suit?
Uh-huh. Wah, squat. Wah, squat. Wah, squat.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to go swimming first or get more birthday stuff first?
Birthday first.
Birthday stuff first?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go to the birthday store and order some balloons, okay? Okay, go. Go, go, go.
And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're all
Are you gonna walk? Go. Ready? Come on, go. Go. There you go. What about your other foot? Ooh, what's that, baby? Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a day in my life with a toddler and a newborn. As you can tell, today's already starting out super hectic. That's normally how I get ready every day. I did have to put him down to straighten my hair though, because I could not do that one-handed. I tried. But it is a week before Aria's birthday. I have a ton of stuff that I still need to do. Eric does have the day off, but he is at a practice right now. They're doing a demo later, so we are gonna go to that later tonight, so I may film a little bit. But I just got some Amazon boxes in for Aria's decorations. Everything on the bar I've been making. I've tried to DIY a lot of this stuff, so I can't wait to show you what the decorations are gonna look like. But I have raided Target and Walmart for like their Fiesta themed items, and I think I've bought everything that they can offer. I'm pretty sure with Walmart I've totally like bought out all of Walmart's stuff because when I went back a couple days later they didn't get any more, and I'm looking for terracotta pots. I can't find them, so we're gonna go to Party City real quick, and I need to order her balloons anyways, so that's perfect. But before I leave real quick and I take you along with us, if you want to jump ahead and you just want to see the rest of the day, I'll put a timestamp in the comments so you can just jump ahead. But if you want to know something about like our channel changes, because I'm sure you guys have seen a difference, I'm just gonna explain that real quick. So as you guys can tell, and I've never talked about it, I just did it. I changed the channel name, so there's no longer Red Wine and Blue Mom, and that was hard for me to let go of, honestly. Like, I still have my email address just because it's hard to change an email address for a business, so that's still my business email. It was time to let it go because the channel has grown so much more than just watching my life or as a hobby, and I really think the message of, oh my god. Exactly, so the message of navigating motherhood and all of its surprises, including bit up while filming. I just wanted to do that together, and I really want to provide value. And although I love connecting with you guys through like watching like day in the lifestyle vlogs and stuff, and like these more casual types of videos, I don't want to get rid of those, and I will definitely still do those. So I don't want you guys to leave if this is what you love. You know, just like some channels do cleaning because that's how they can motivate and inspire their audience, I really feel like we have a connection when it comes to things like the breastfeeding tips, and I guess tips I can give you guys when it comes to how I balance stuff and, you know, postpartum life, following my weight loss journey, because it's not super strict. I feel I have a very normal weight loss journey right now because, you know, there's some days I have motivation and I work out, and then there's some days where I'm just like, I'm gonna eat some french fries. I don't know, you guys connect with me and I connect with you guys on such an intimate level, and I love it, and I do love that I can provide that value. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I love your feedback. So if you do enjoy it, let me know in the comments that yes, you're enjoying these types of videos, you want more, you wish that I would do something like this. If you don't enjoy it, let me know what you would rather see, so I don't keep beating a dead horse basically. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. And I just hit 1 million views on the channel, so like literally thanks a million, you guys. Like, to know my content's been watched 1 million times is crazy to me, and I just so grateful. And I just can't wait to continue to grow with you guys. I'm still wiping him off, but thank you guys so much. And I wanted to put this little message in the day in the life vlog just to say thanks. And I love connecting with you guys, and I love you guys, and I will continue to do a variety of content that focuses on navigating motherhood. And I hope you guys enjoy the changes, enjoy the new name, enjoy the new content. And yeah, so with that being said, let's jump in the car and go shopping.
Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow.
Don't take your hand off. You gotta wait, okay? Okay.
Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow.
But I did Party City last because they're always so expensive, and then I'm like, he said I was literally 2 days late. They had a full aisle of Fiesta stuff, but they had to like break it down basically for their Halloween stuff that they're putting up. So if you do any type of like seasonal theme, like Fiesta I guess is just like summer theme, it's gonna be gone in the summer. Like you should shop it in the spring. It's so hard when stores are always like a season ahead, but I get it. But I did find a huge sombrero that I could not find anywhere else, and it was actually reasonably priced. And then I found some, because I'm not doing a traditional like what you see now candy table. I want to mix it because I want to do like authentic like Mexican candy, but I know not everybody likes that stuff, so I still want other candies as well. Like I filled the piñata with just like a whole bunch of suckers because it's too hot to do any type of chocolate. So I found rainbow popcorn and some they were called like candy drops, but they're basically just nameless M&Ms or not name brand M&Ms. Okay, hold on, brother. As I'm like checking out to pay this, and I saw the lady too, so I knew who it was. Well, I don't know her, but I saw who had did it. She took one of those reusable shopping bags. They have them like towards the register, so I just thought she was obviously just shopping with it or just needed it. And she filled it up, I guess, throughout the store and then just took off and like stole everything. And they had to chase after her, which I totally know how that feeling is because I used to work in retail and as a manager, and like seeing people just grab stuff and throw it in a bag and take off and run, like those grab and runs. If you ever worked in retail, you know exactly what that is. It sucks, and there's like this empty pit filling in your stomach, and you're just kind of like irritated for the rest of the day because it messes with business. And as it is right now, like stores are going out of business because it's hard to keep stores open with like online shopping, so people are like losing their jobs over it. And when you have people that do that, it just makes it worse. And there was a ton of people in there, and the other customers are what pointed her out, and like she's stealing stuff. So they got her license plate, so I hope they find her because it's not cool when people do that. But I need to get gas first, and then I'm gonna go home and make lunch for Aria and I don't know if Eric's home or not. I don't actually even know where my phone's at. But we probably will just relax until we go to his demonstration at 6 o'clock.
Strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. A part of me is living a lie. I want you like the first time when we met.
Alright, so Aria is sleeping. I'm still feeding the baby, but I'm so excited. Do you guys watch 13 Reasons Why? Like, I don't know, and I saw the trailer and I felt like it was a little, I might as well just turn the camera and talk to you guys. It was a little on the Pretty Little Liars side from the trailer, but it could have just been, if you guys haven't seen the trailer, I'm not gonna like tell you why. Okay, change of plans. I definitely think Aria's getting way too old for me to like watch that show around her. So she woke up, so I turned it off. But I want to show you guys what I got. So of course Amazon split up my package today into like a ton of different orders, but everything I ordered is for Aria's birthday. Except for this. So you guys have probably seen our picture behind the bar. I get it from Canvas People. They always have sales. I found them on Facebook. And originally I wanted that picture to go over our fireplace, but Eric and I stuck the like wall cling to it. So it just didn't look right and it didn't fit. So I ended up ordering a smaller one from the photo shoot we just did. So this is what we have now, and I'm hoping it's going to fit over the fireplace, but I think it's so cute, and it does wrap all the way around, so that's like the canvas itself. But it's an 11 by 14 and it was free. All I had to do was pay for shipping, but shipping was $16.99. So technically I got the canvas for $16.99, which it was originally like I think it was $60 or $50, something like that. It's not sponsored or anything. I just honestly order from them all the time. So if you guys are looking for like canvas prints to order, I would check them out. Okay, I'm not sure if this will work for you guys, but I'll leave the code here, or how many times you can do it. So if you can't do it and someone already gets to it, I'm sorry, I don't know how this works. But it says you can get 70% off a canvas plus just 99-cent shipping. Use code HAYRIDE, and it's canvaspeople.com, and it does expire November 1st. So if you were able to do it, let me know. Do you feel it's too small? Because I don't know if you guys can see the hooks up there, or if you've seen what we do for Christmas, but those hooks are because we hang our stockings, because we don't want to hang anything low because we don't want the kids or the dog to get to it. So there'll definitely be stuff around it, but I feel it like, it looks small, but if I add frames or actually start to decorate this area, it would look really good. But let me know. Obviously I have it far away, but here's an up close so you guys can see it a little bit better. So like the quality, which I think it just came out, this is my favorite picture of us, like, but I think it came out so well. I do wish I was holding him so he was like turned in a little bit more, but it's really hard to take a picture with a newborn. So let me know what you guys think. I like it, and then I may, like I said, end up getting a frame for this one just to fill it up during those off holiday seasons where I don't have anything hanging.
We can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again.
I finally put a light in my living room. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know this room is always so dark because all we've ever had was those two. I love you. Thank you for being good tonight. Mwah. Baby boy is sleeping. I know he's hungry though, so I'm actually gonna wake him up. But we just got back from the charity event. You think you get the kids situated and then it's gimme, gimme, gimme. But we had a really good time. It was, you know, they were able to raise a ton of money for 2 families and they donate directly to those families. So I thought that was really nice too. And Aria got to see Eric perform for the first time, and she like ran towards like the front because we were sitting in the first 2 rows. She ran towards the front and was just like staring at him the whole time, and when he was done she like ran back to our friends because our friend was sitting in front of us, and she was like, "That's my dad." So I told him and he was super happy to hear that. And then Ezra was just so fascinated with everything that was going on. He's such an alert baby for only being 3 months old, so it was nice because we hope that the kids are going to be interested in the martial arts. Obviously we want to train them and stuff, so to see that they're excited for it now at such a young age. I'm sure with Ezra it was just the lights and the sound. It makes us happy and it really excites us. So I was hoping to show you guys more of what I got and what I found and what I'm doing for Aria's party, but every time I started to look through stuff, one of them needed my attention. But I'm not sure if I'm going to do like a decorate with me, but I'm definitely going to kind of do like a, I don't know what to call it. It's not a house tour, but I guess like a party tour. So I'll show you guys the decorations and if they were DIY'd or where to find them, because most of the stuff I was able to find for like $1. And I just kind of put together, or cheaper, and it was like under $5 to make. So if you guys are interested, I will show you that along with her 3rd fiesta. And then I have a 0 to 3 month essentials video, as well as what to do with an oversupply, and I am making plans. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, so if you guys have any suggestions on what you would like to see as far as a giveaway goes, because we're so close to 10K, guys, and it would mean the world to me if I hit it before I went to Vegas September 14th. So if you can share my videos, it's greatly appreciated. Make sure your bell notifications are turned on, because I want to reward those who support the channel and are not just subscribing just to win a giveaway. So if you have any ideas, guys, let me know in the comments. But Eric should be back any minute. He just went to get food since we took 2 different cars and I just took the kids home. You know how it goes. So as always, guys, we love you, and I will see you in the next one.